In this video, we are going to demonstrate on how we can generate analytics from any DBT model that we have as part of our project. In this project, we already have a staging layer, enhanced layer. We have the DBT sources. So in order to generate analytics, we'll go ahead first and generate a business model, and that on top of that, perform some analytics. I'll click project, business layer. Here, I'll simply write what business model I need. So I need to generate a business model to analyze course enrollments. I'll generate the business model from the staging layer. I can pick any layer I prefer depending on from where my data I want to come. And the output will be generated in the business model in business directory. We click generate. Once everything is ready, we should be able to see the business model. And at the moment, we have course enrollment analysis.sql, which represents our fact table. I can go ahead, click model, preview, confirm and validate if my data does make sense, or if I want to apply any change there. If everything is okay, we can go ahead and just run this model to have the data available in our new table. If everything is okay, we can simply go to AI and click Generate Analytics. So Generate Analytics will generate 5 to 10 SQL queries for us, the queries which can be used to understand our data, to be able to answer various useful questions related to our data, or build dashboards on top of the business model that we just generated. So I'll copy the queries that got generated, navigate to the SQL editor, and simply start to use them here. So if you are interested on the count of students enrolled per course, we simply run the query, and here we can see every course title and the number of students that we have there. If you are interested about the average grade per course, the data is represented here. If we want to see the number of enrollments by semester, we have a query which operates on top of the business model that we generated. If you want to check the distribution of grades, so it looks like the number of grade students that got the grade 10 is 12. The majority of students got the grade 8, and so on. If you want to check the top 5 courses by enrollment, we can perform it, and so on. So these queries are very helpful in order to understand our data or build dashboards on top of our data. You don't need a business model to be able to generate analytics. Usually in various DBT projects, you might need in early stages to understand your data, see the distribution of your data, and so on. So you can also go to any of your models, DBT models, like in this case, we have a staging model, like main courses.sql, which represents a very simple view. We can generate analytics for this DBT model as well. We simply go to AI, generate analytics, wait for the output. I'll copy the code, go to the SQL editor. I'll just replace here everything, paste it. So if we are going to query only this single view, which where the name is main courses, we can count the number of courses by department. We have that information here. We can check the average credits per course, or check the total credits by department, verify top 5 courses by credits, or distribution of courses by credits, and many other things as part of our tables that we have in this project.